cases we on a family member on my own. Or a very controversial or a very hard person. Me come feeling the crowd ban or me problem. Me call them too much and say, why are you disturbing me too much? Wednesday not fall into coma, which is Wednesday or Tuesday not fall into coma. Tianra, which is Saturday, and 5:30, and I am a Tunisa, a friend.
Hello, too much for and then bring so me ma wakwaba and the back too much channel so. Nana ye boa ana minu we die hie. Eye endra yanti asemde eye Ghana man mu nyina no yanti asemde enam. De di hie papa ya di nyina Bishop Bernard Nyarko ebra odineni ekire eban no. Na we na too much yes yentina se. Ana em say news bebre bi aka na adwen wo net so nyoma sisi ye bet ye pese ye hu no kware a ewo mu ye hu bebi asem ne fapem ejina ntiwe ne no ye tu ye nan e de aba Bishop na so ye so na wo ni nua pani wa ha no mu obekire mu nyoma de asiye ene de etu Bishop a ma ene Bishop onka ye hu ebiom eja mwakwa aba too much and so
Yeah,
na ene no em se ye nyina ye nim dia koso em se Bishop say ya be piem wa ha no ma na em se won so I ready because endra yeti asem anya asem de enti no e yam pass Bishop waka bibia na
atiefo no kre say Bishop Efrem no kre enra which is 5:30 enyumre na nyame to nsa Efrem
we de ye mamu shedi
yeah
and e magana fo nyina nso Bishop adofo nyina nso shedi
yeah
na betimi aka dia esi ye kakra because enyane ntie se na Bishop no mfa no ema no beton sa na Ghana fo bebe nyina ehu e mo bekasa e after ne yare na chi ne bet yenyim se sei na akosi betimi aka dia na Bishop okomu ansa na rade to nsa friend dia kire Ghana this year
we de michia obia meda TV presenters ni adofo nyina ye da masinyame enhiramo yete se ye wo London no me ma me num ni ade o no de o ha o ye movie nti no Ghana nti no emu na omo frɛ se ne ho emfa no nti no me eba Ghana so mehwe nti ma me ne bae no nice condition o mu na enye na ne ho mfa nti o frɛ ka chen se Bishop ho mfa no nti mu no na ese ni kɔ ayasabia ne mpaibon hospital ne kɔhwɛ adeko a ha nti o mo ye ne body scan nti scan mu na ke se yare no o mo kire se cancer na nti no o mo sign operation ni ade nti na ke se em se na fa kwa adunu na ha nti no ye ne kɔ tema cancer specialist or no London no be hospital or tema on se any constant treating for so many months like I say ya na mu ana e debe e ye din nti na joda we na doctor ka chen say na ya na yen family rich hospital ya de asofo ne nawfo ne adifo mo kroma bebre e ba be bompai man hospital nti no ye call rich hospital na say yare no emu aidi nti no emu Wednesday not fall into coma which is Wednesday or Tuesday not fall into coma tianra which is Saturday and 5:30 and nyame eto nsa a friend nti no me ka che tiefo nyina say asama tiefo eto radio so FM any babia no and cross Bishop Nyarko nyame ato ne safre no ni nua penny ni me ono di machi ntino asemo no nyame waye nyame dia
we de bishop nya penny we de mo hye de oni abusuani nyina ana fen so bishop nya kwadofo nyina so enhye de because endra de wo na to hwe social media bebia bishop ni videos nya de dan mi say bishop wabo edwuma ye nti na say ne dwuma di obedi organa na no na ye den edan edinu ti anti as ya hwe your mind di hye na mi bisa bishop no oja ba oja yire waware na
onkola miensa onkola miensa and sometimes you know ade bi wo family issues enya bebia na ese mbija bontina we akwesi we say enya nsem nyina na nipa yeka so what you say intino say ade and you no eno family matters yeah intino ne mai miensa yeah
ana yiri
I don't know. I don't want to talk about that.
Okay. And I think so na ndo aye say na social media some video be circulate say kuma would forecast say omutin ya ye no mpe say common ombehu no na omuso ntutu ye omo bi mfa bet na eye bishop mami esi no omkwan eno so no kwai ben no mana den na betimi aka fa
oh say one enya tisembia na nokre oh say when you hear something and you see it and you judge the person wronger, sometimes it's a wrong judgment. And I say, oh, Kasimbia to be soon in the Bible, no, it's against the word of God. Because as someone can, you don't know. So what I say, Bishop Yari, no, your family members will who family member on my own. Or a very controversial or a very hard person. Me come feeling the crowd bad, no, me cry your problem. Me call them too much. I say, why are you disturbing me too much? Or catch me straight. So, or catch me, mommy say, send your media net here. Obo crowd bad strangle phone. So, not the quick chat, not the call. The pan why say no. I feel not the swati kakrin to person be a unze bia the swati ntino. Or person keep push on him. Or catch me say. On person obu mu bia. So some instructions, you know, it's not from my mother.
It's from him.
It's from him himself. Certainly, you want the honor to sorry for doing so many a day. Into what better not so much of who them. Oh, ma. And you know, for the Kumau, whatever to tell them, my men no na.
No, see quiet.
They be. They don't know what is going on in the family issues. They don't know what is going on. So it's you know, on that strong instruction say he don't want to see anybody.
For now, senior bishop Mia Nibra Penny Kanu say or no normal that instruction say on pese obehu obia ana me crampo no sa se no okay ema me tia see bebe because nyame fa ne krensie me bra Penny so bewu ya yare nimu no so no pese obehu obia no no nim bebi ana wedru nti ne bia na instruction ye correct side we on social media say enye bishop maame no si ni kwan ne mo bishop na nkasa ana no mpese obehu obi na condition na owo mu no nti na say no ye family issue ono no mpese obehu obi a na eja ebusuan hia ya na den ne koso e wa ebusuan mu sisi a
asisi a no I'm shocked nti no it's a shock yesterday evening nti ma me cry on recover why so weak because of the story the news you know why am you know me papa olma eba na ya me adoma nne kira no ye betrase na ntutu bia betutu bia ne ya ma adofo nyina aso ati ntutu 20 day ye hwese mpenifo beba na ya trase na ye de ntutu ahye na sisi ase na coronavirus ntino enya this time it will be like after coronavirus because this time no tumi bibia nti bibia be no be after whatever the government let the door open for anybody. So wait my say. Until you train my sa a breno. A be say nana because I say be after to me a year to me win. You feel free like doing all the funeral or whatever. No. Some many actors say, but dates nankasa the share. Until I feel about transcend anything. Ya de bibia to bia.
It's for senior bishop Nyapeni SC no see a fei and a busia betna say any ochne ya no de they all say omo kan na say nhye was some de go akwam na mo bibia be after coronavirus say bia na be makwan ama ye obeyi that social gathering band no e free so I too much GH na wani gusu a ohwe ye hwem a we want so bi kura di ho dance ye bishop Nyapeni me hu ni wie mu hyeme na em say bishop ankasa osani ye pa ni Nyapeni ana afen so ye gina akonya we so aka kire bishop Nyapeni na busia ba cho betimi abo DM say
Isaac Dako
bishop Nyapeni Isaac Dako oni ebusia ni nyina ye shedding ene ya kwa em say ni ma me kura en recover en free that shock ni ma shock cause ni ma me recover en free emu ye nti weni gusu a na ye too much na o hwe na so yetutu ye na ye mpese obeka say na atesem nti na yetutu ye na dia ba eye bishop Nyako fie nti se oti a oti bia na dia ekoso ewo aha enu no okay
ye da tiefo nyina se nyame nhira mu nyina ene mo bible. God bless you guys and my family love you all. Nyame nhira mo, we love you. God bless you. Bless.
Aha na dimbesi na ye bo ani makram